Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are making a delicious tea time snack, crispy egg bread fried snacks. Crispy on the outside, soft inside and filled with spiced egg and onions. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. This snack is a creative twist on bread rolls and samosas. And 110 ml of warm water. Mix well and knead into a soft dough. Rub some oil and keep aside for 40 minutes. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil, add half cup onion and 2 green chilies. Cook for 1 minute. Add half teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin. And a quarter cup tomato with 3 tablespoons of water. Cook until the tomatoes soften. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves and mix well. For the flour slurry, mix 1/4 cup flour with half cup water. Mix well to make a smooth slurry. Take some dough, roll it, and cut as shown. It's a popular choice for kids' lunch boxes and tea parties. Place cooked onion. And half a boiled egg in the center. Eggs add protein, making it more filling than regular fried snacks. Spread water at the edges. Fold carefully. Don't overfill or the stuffing may break while frying. Eggs are packed with protein and vitamins. Onion and tomatoes add natural flavor and nutrients. Dip in flour slurry and coat with breadcrumbs. Breadcrumb coating makes it extra crunchy. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat to cook evenly and avoid burning. Cooking at home, avoid artificial preservatives. You can bake instead of frying for a lighter version. Golden crispy and filled with spiced egg and onions. These egg bread fried snacks are perfect with a cup of tea. Try this recipe and surprise your family. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Foods. Would you prefer it with egg, chicken or vegetables? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next recipe.